I had even, to be honest, I went to Home Depot and they told me it was going to be a month project. Now that's difficult because now you have to figure out how are you going to serve dinner to your family, how are you going to arrange everything. And they cleaned up after everything, there was no issues about it. But what I liked about it was that they said that my friends would say, oh, I can't believe you're saying 3 weeks. I said, actually, it's a little bit less because they didn't come like every day. They came on cue and they got the job done. And they were like telling me these horror stories that they had gone through or their friends had gone through trying to get, remodel done. And I said, oh no, mine was really great. I felt like, it needed an upgrade, but, the cost of living and everything, like, what should we do? And so I just went for it, and it's been a great experience. They told me it would be 3 weeks, and I said, in the back of my mind, I'm not sure about that, but let's see how it goes. Amazingly, I was just telling a few of my friends about how wonderful the process experience was. They said they were going to be there at a certain time. They were there, and they would inform me, okay, we're on our way, we're right around the corner. The time slot was usually a 2-hour time slot, and it was amazing that they came on time, they were ready to work. I even had to tell them, hey, take a break here after a while, because they wanted to do A to Z. They were really good about that, and that was every team that came across. The demolition, the cabinets, the countertops, every team was very professional. I loved it. He came in at very convenient times and explained everything because I wasn't sure, I've never remodeled a kitchen before. So this was really good to know that he had my back. He said exactly what was going to happen, and it did. Well, she was great. It was really good to know that I can call her at any time or text her and she respond back immediately. If I had questions about even the issue about the financing, I got a letter and I said, hey, you know what, can you explain this? Explained it very clearly and to the point. It was great. Do some shopping around because I even went to an independent contractor that some new neighbors were remodeling. My next door neighbor was remodeling, and it's so funny because they used a contractor. However, the new owner was dissatisfied. It seemed like they had overbought in materials, and so that was costly for them, especially the countertops, and that they mismeasured the cabinets, and it took a good while for them. So I said, ooh, and I had gotten a quote from him, the same contractor, but I had put them on the back burner. And then when I walked to Home Depot, they said, oh, we have this program, however, it's 4 weeks. And then when I called Payless cabinets, it was like very easy flowing, very easy to the ear. This is what we do, this is how we process this, and this and this. And it was exactly the way that they said that was going to happen. And I totally appreciated that. At this point, I'm ill, and I was like worried about everything. And they assured me, no problems. And no problems. I was still able to do what I needed to do for my family and not having to being overwhelmed. That was the thing, is I didn't need to be overwhelmed. No, the workers were excellent, professional, friendly, and got the job done. I loved it. It was good.